Hello friends, I am Sambit. Welcome to my channel Cognition. You are watching part 4 of a project where I am developing a nice looking progress bar in Swift 4. I highly recommend that if you have not seen previous parts of this series, first you watch those and come back. This will help you to link up the continuity of this series. So let's start where we left in part 3. Add codes to cancel button round. You should override layout subviews method in your custom view only if the auto-resizing and constraint based behavior of the subviews do not offer the behavior that you want. Drag the outlet of it and press Ctrl and drag the connection in its file owner. Let's drag level at center of awesome progress view to indicate percentage of the progress. Pin the label at the center of the parent, that is awesome progress view. Now let's add the code to fade in appearance of the progress view. So we will make its alpha set to 0 at beginning and animate till it becomes 1. Let's animate the dismissal of the progress bar, a fade out animation. And at the end of the animation, let's reset the progress bar. I used a flag here named dismissed to keep the dismissed state of the progress bar inside the progress bar object itself. Use will set property observers to filter out bad inputs of the progress and pass the good inputs to the code that actually draws the Bezier paths. In our case, it is a progress property of the awesome progress view. If we set the value of awesome progress view's drawRect method will be called automatically because it was marked IB designable. As a result, it will draw the progress correctly. Because my progress view still doesn't have a member named indicator view, let's drag a connection of it. You could go to progress view's progress property and force a drawing with set needs display, but for me the designable build was failing for some unknown reason, but I can assure you that this is fairly legal to do so. I just didn't dig it up to find out the actual reason for the error. Hence for now I am removing it and will request this drawing from some other place. Now let's add cancel button action by holding the control key and dragging on trackpad. Although cancel action will definitely be called in main thread, but let's dispatch the work in main thread because we shall update UI now, just for safe side. Dismiss the progress bar. Because dismiss is a public method and I am updating UI from it, better to put that code in main thread also. Because client may call this from any thread But we do not want our app to crash saying updating UI from other than main thread. The same holds true for the progress computed property. Now request a drawing as soon as the value is updated with good value of progress, so that the drawrect method of awesome progress view gets called. Now add methods to change the styling of the percentage label. Basically we want smaller percentage symbol than the number. Now to add some sugar, let's declare a delegate to notify client that progress bar did dismiss itself. You may add more methods to notify its appearance or value change, etc. A public protocol which is same as interface in Java can refer only public classes or structures, because client across modules boundaries will receive compilation error if its method itself uses some non-public class. Now call the delegate when it is done dismissing. Declare and call the delegate. Finally, remove the progress bar from view hierarchy. Let's run now and see how it looks like. Let's make percentage string a little bigger in size. Now test the progress bar. Because the delegate is informing state change of a my progress bar, let's change the name to proper one. Implement the delegate in view controller and set the delegate to view controller. Implement the delegate method. When progress bar gets dismissed, view controller should stop the timer. Hence, it will be same code as view did disappear. So let's move the code to separate method. Delegate property is not available in progress view object because its type is still UI view at this moment. Everything works, but it doesn't dismiss itself at 100%. Let's do that. Now run it. Looks good. So thank you for watching. That's the end of this series. See you soon in other videos.